Hello, in this video I'm gonna show the workflow I design. You can see that on the screen. So I'm gonna run the workflow first and then I'm gonna explain that one by one. So I'm gonna run. You can see the workflow start running. So the first one is basically go to the raw CSV files of the Citi bike data we have. The size is around 8 GB. We try to generate two outputs. One is the daily trips, basically the date and the number of the trip for that day. The other one is the trip distribution, so which is the date, the week of the day, and the trip distribution. Trip distribution basically is the distribution of the trip during rush hour and non-rush hour. So rush hour is from 6 to 10 a.m. and then the non-rush hour and 4 to 8 p.m. and the rest of the day is non-rush hour. And then these two was merged together, get a complete data set with the date of the day of the week, rush hour and non-rush hour, which is the trip distribution, as well as the total number of the trip for the day. And then we're gonna merge this with the processed weather data. So the weather over here, we format the date first. Actually, we're also doing the similar thing for the bike over here. Just make sure they have the same date format. And we also drop some column which are redundant, and we fill out some missing value for the column we choose. And then we merge them together and get the daily trip with weather. So this is the data set, and then we drop the date, which and then we have another workflow which is doing a percentage split of this file, split to two parts. One is training, the other one is for testing, and you can set up the ratio over here for this workflow. This is 80%. So 80% gonna goes to the training set and 20% gonna go to the testing set. And we also prepare the test a little bit, and we convert those to the ARF file, and then we plug them into the two P workflow we have in data view. One is SVM regression, the other one is the linear regression. Okay, now the workflow is done. So as we can see over here, workflow is done. Let's double check the output. If we go here, as we can see, we have the output of these two models over here. So the first one is the output model of the regression model. Let me make that a little bit closer. Yep. So as you can see, we have the predicted value for each, and totally we have 284. Just to show workflow is running correctly, we are expecting to have the same number of data points as a prediction for the linear regression model, so which is also the same. But we can see the prediction value is a little bit different. So this is what we have right now. And later on, we'll probably add some other, add another construct or P workflow, try to come out with some matrix so that we can choose the best model. Thank you.